Hi, my name is Rich, and today we're going to go over the items that come in the JH Audio in-ear survival kit. The first thing you'll notice in the kit is the Jody vac. The Jody vac can be used with any 2-pin or 4-pin monitor with the metal canals or the silicone canals. With the Jody vac comes additional tips for cleaning both sizes of canals. The green tip can be used for the metal canals, and the pink tips can be used for the larger silicone canals. In addition, with the Jody vac also comes 2 additional brushes of different sizes to clean out the ears. Next thing you'll notice in the JH survival kit is the stethoscope. This can be used to listen to other custom fitted JH Audio IEMs. The stethoscope can simply be inserted into your ears, and the tip slipped over the canal of any custom fitted IEM. The kit also comes with a round metal IEM case and our cable tester. The cable tester can be used to test any of the cables from our 2 or 4-pin IEMs. It comes with 2 AA batteries pre-installed and was designed and 3D printed in-house. It also bears mentioning that the JH Audio Survival Kit comes shipped to you in a Pelican case, which is waterproof and comes with custom cut foam to hold all of the items. Thank you for choosing JH Audio.